how to create a Picsart account. So if you want to create a Picsart account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar search for Picsart, and here you will have the first search, picsart.com. Click on that, and then you can also continue with your email, but you can also click on login or sign up, and then from here you can continue with your email or username, or you can continue with Google, or you can continue with Facebook, or you can also continue with Apple. So first let's continue with email. And then now to create your free account, you have to enter your email address. Enter your email address and then click on continue, and then you have to enter a password, and your password must have 8 to 16 characters and at least one letter and at least one number. Enter your password and then click on create my account, and you can also save your password. And that's it guys, that's how you create it, and you can also start your free trial. And that's it guys, that's how you create your Picsart account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.